Hey guys, hope everyone's staying safe and healthy out there. My name's Sophia, and today for my GER I'm going to be talking about Hungary's Family Protection Action Plan. So, just to begin, I want to give a little intro to Hungary. The country is landlocked and is in Central Europe. It borders Slovakia, Ukraine, Romania, Serbia, Croatia, Slovenia, and Austria. So it has a lot of neighbors. The capital is Budapest, which is a big tourist attraction. The population is about 9.7 million. The official language is Hungarian, and Hungary was communist until 1989. Now it is a parliamentary representative democratic republic, and the prime minister is Viktor Orban, and the prime minister is the head of the government, so we will be talking a lot about Orban. So, for the last 30 years, Hungary has been dealing with a sharp population decline. This has been an ongoing concern for the government. Their national fertility rate is currently at 1.49 children per woman, which is below the EU average. Their goal is to get to the replacement level fertility rate of around 2.1 children per woman. Prime Minister Orban's solution was simple: let's encourage procreation. So he really wants to encourage Hungarians to have more Hungarian children. The Prime Minister made it clear that immigration was not a solution he would consider. He wants to, as he says, keep Hungary Hungarian. This is a very popular slogan that he has referred to many times. He also said that we do not need numbers, but Hungarian children, he said in the State of a Nation address in February. Prime Minister Orban does not want to turn to immigration to fix this problem. He has been against immigration for a while now. When a wave of more than 1 million migrants arrived in Europe in 2015, Orban built a wall to keep them from even traveling through Hungary. So before we continue, I want you to ponder. Do you think that having children should be a private matter? Well, Hungary does not think so. The Speaker of Hungary's parliament at a conference last September said, in Europe, those who propagate that having children is a private matter are serving the culture of death, he said. Countries with declining populations are becoming houses of coffins and not cradles. So the solution that Hungary created is called the Family Protection Action Plan. The plan was proposed last year in 2019. The government program was unveiled last year at a cost of $2.5 billion. That's 5% of Hungary's GDP and 4 times what the country spends on military. So this is obviously a very, very important issue to them. The program is designed to encourage and increase the population rate in Hungary by offering families government incentives for having babies and expanding their families. The government is hopeful that this will increase their national birth rate. So some of the Family Protection Action Plan elements are that the government has taken over most fertility treatment clinics. So they've been offering free fertility treatments to Hungarians. They're giving away cash loans to new parents. They're giving even subsidies away to buy minivans for young parents. And so the mere promise to have one child will get you a $30,000 loan. Rates are decreased after 2 children, and these loans are even forgiven after having 3 children. While mothers who have 4 or more children do not even have to pay income tax at all. And even grandparents who are still working are now entitled to take a leave to help care for their newborn grandchildren. So some of the critics of this plan argue that many people believe that this is overstepping for the government. We must state that we do not want to be diverse and do not want to be mixed, Orban said in his speech last year, the Prime Minister. We do not want our color, traditions, and culture and national culture to be mixed with those of others. We do not want to be a diverse country. So this is very opposite how they feel than how we feel. That is socially engineering only certain kind of Hungarian babies that is seeking to create. Some Hungarians feel the guidelines of the program are very unfair. Other Hungarians have found themselves ineligible because they are gay, unmarried, or even divorced. Read the fine print and this becomes clear. The Family Protection Plan only seeks to protect what the government sees as the right kinds of families. So peel back the layers and it reveals something else as they are advertising entirely. Social engineering designed to yield only a certain kind of Hungarian baby. So some final questions that I just want you guys to ponder are what are your initial thoughts on Hungarians' response to their population decline problem? And do you think that the Family Protection Action Plan is a good idea? Do you think that it is morally right or morally wrong? And if you were Hungary, how would you address their population decline? And do you think that the government is overstepping with its plan? So thank you guys so much for watching. Here are my references and hope you guys have a great rest of your day.